My name is Bennett Rushkoff. I am a Democrat running for Maryland State Delegate, District 15. My wife and I live in North Potomac. We have 2 children who have attended Montgomery County Public Schools from kindergarten to high school. I too was educated in public schools. I went on to earn my undergraduate degree from Princeton University. I was a public policy major, and to graduate from Yale Law School. Since law school, I have spent a total of 24 years pursuing justice by enforcing consumer protection laws and other public protection laws for federal, state, and local government. I have fought to protect consumers, to preserve competition in the marketplace, to expose public corruption, and to safeguard public funds. I am running for a seat in the House of Delegates because I want to pursue justice in our state legislature, as well as in the courtroom. Back when I graduated from law school, we saw the federal government as the leader for social change. Today, the big social justice issues of our time are being addressed in state legislatures. Maryland and other progressive states are leading the way. The most important issues for me right now are public school education, environmental protection, and our healthcare system. First, I want to make sure our schools have the resources they need to keep Maryland #1 in the country for public school education. And I want our schools to serve the needs of all our students, including special ed students and students at risk of suspension. I am honored to be endorsed by our public school teachers, the Montgomery County Education Association. I am also honored to be endorsed by the Montgomery County Green Democrats. Like the Green Democrats, I want to keep fracking out of Maryland. We live in a densely populated state. We should not allow this new method of extracting fossil fuels to expose so many people to the risk of contaminated groundwater. We should focus instead on becoming a national model for renewable energy, like offshore wind power. If we really want to do something about global warming, we can start right here in Maryland. Regarding health care, I would like to see a public option added to Maryland's healthcare exchange. A public option would let people choose between commercial insurance policies and government healthcare coverage. Rather than trying to maximize profits for shareholders, the public option would try to maximize benefits for subscribers. I believe I have the experience to serve as an effective advocate in Annapolis. As a special assistant to the Maryland Attorney General, I lobbied successfully for passage of a state bill to combat telemarketing fraud. For the past 15 years, I have worked for the Attorney General for the District of Columbia. I currently serve as chief of the Public Advocacy Section. I have taught state and local government lawyering as an adjunct professor at Georgetown University Law Center, and I have taught Introduction to Advocacy as an adjunct professor at the University of Baltimore School of Law. If you send me to Annapolis, I will apply my education and experience to the work of advocating for you. I ask for your vote in the Democratic primary on June 24th.